Everything is so much cuter in miniature, including these tiny little books from My Porch Prints. And today I'm just going to show you how to put them together and use them as either a tag on a present, you can write in here, or just hang them from your tree. So let's make some. Hello my beautiful creative friends, and welcome to day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas ornaments. Today we are not going to be working with anything messy, which is a nice change. And we are going to be creating some little mini books from My Porch Prints on Etsy. So just to be clear, these are her designs and this is her idea. I'm just putting them together. So this is a really cute little idea. She has many designs on in her Etsy shop for these little mini books. So you can go check her out, My Porch Prints. It's a digital download, and when you print them out, the sheets look like this. So the first thing that we're going to do is to cut out all of the little pieces. So it comes with 4 book cover designs and then 6 little sections of page designs. Now she suggests printing out the covers in a heavier cardstock and then the pages in like a printer paper. However, I've printed everything out in an 80-pound cardstock. I prefer the stability of cardstock. I don't want to have the printer paper fall apart. You can still write a message or whatever on the cardstock, so I prefer the heavy-duty stuff. And we're literally just going to be putting it all together with double-sided tape, score tape. So the only materials you'll need are the actual printouts and your trimmer here and some score tape. And I will be making a hole in them and a ribbon. So ribbon as well, but very minimal supplies and they're super cute. Okay, once you have all of your pieces printed out, choose which one you'd like as your cover. I'm going to go with this super cute one with the kitty and the puppy. So first step is to take your cover and fold it in half. If you have a bone folder, I would recommend using it. Okay, so now you've got something that looks like that. Okay, so we're going to adhere that together. So again, you can use wet adhesive if you so desire. I just find score tape to be the easier option. And if you wanted to make the cover super strong, you could put some Tyvek sandwiched in between here. I'm not going to do that right now, but that is an option to make the cover very strong. Okay, so fold that together. And now we're going to fold here and here where the spine is. So we're just going to do the best we can, making that as straight as possible. So there's one side. And then we'll do the other side. Okay, so there is our little cover. Now, I'm going to choose 3 of the different options here for the pages. I'm going to go with this one, and this one. Okay, so now for the pages, you're going to start and fold either end backwards. So lining it up with the little, where it looks like the next page starts right here. Okay, so line it up like that. Okay, and now flip it, and you're going to do the same thing, fold back. And they should meet in the center. And then fold it together. Okay, so you end up with a zigzag like that. Now we are going to put adhesive on either side of that center line. Okay, so here is your zigzag. I've got score tape here and here. Now we're going to remove that tape backing and push that together. Remove this tape backing and push it to the next adjacent page. So now you've got something that looks like that. So these two are stuck to each other, like this is thicker, this is thicker, and then you've got two single flappies right there. So do that to the other two pages. Okay, so once you have your three little pages, decide which one you want to go first. I think I'm gonna do this one first. Actually, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we are going to take our first page, and on the back side of it, add some double-sided adhesive. Okay, and then the second little bunch of pages you would like to go next. Close it, make sure they're all right side up, and we are going to adhere the first page to this last page. Okay, and then take the last page of the second one that you just adhered and add some double-sided tape or glue, whichever you're using, to it, and adhere the back side of the next set of pages to it. Okay, so now you've got like this cute little mini book. Okay, next you're going to add adhesive to the front and the back of the pages all together. And we're going to adhere them onto our cover. Okay, so holding the book, make sure everything is right side up. It is. Okay, put the little book into the center, and then let those pages adhere to the cover. And now you've got the cutest little tiny little book, and she includes little places where you can write on some of the pages. So you could use this as a little, instead of a card, you could use this, or you could attach it to a present, or you could hang it on your tree. And I'm just going to use my crocodile to punch a little hole here. And then we can put some ribbon in it and attach it or hang it as you so desire. And I am not sponsored to make this video or anything, and I bought these myself, these digital downloads, And full credit to that shop for this design. I just wanted to show you how to put it together. And I just believe strongly in supporting other artists. I want to do that whenever I can. All right, so I'm just going to tie this in a knot and then a bow. I'll put a link in the description box below to these little mini books so you can go and get some for yourself, and they're super cute, and I applaud this shop's design because I love it. And there you go. Isn't that so cute? All right, so that is day 6. Easy peasy, super cute. I hope you are enjoying this little series of ornament making so far, and I hope you'll join me tomorrow for day 7. Tomorrow we're going to be working with some wood pieces and some acrylic paint. And if you are enjoying, I would love for you to give this video a like, share it with a friend, maybe even subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. And there is a link down below if you would like to support this channel even further, and it is called Buy Me a Coffee, and it's kind of just like a virtual tip jar. So if you want to help to continue to keep this channel going, you can click that link and just give a little kind of tip or donation, whatever you want to call it, to keep this channel and all of its free tutorials coming. All right, I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'll see you again soon. Bye!